Okay guys, so I'm at my friend's house and we are about to crack her neck. And I just want to show you guys because I know I mentioned before that I would come to my friend's house and crack her neck. Okay, so it's not gonna hurt, it's not painful. You guys already know I would not do this to my cats. So I'm gonna bring it closer. So you're gonna grab your cat, position her or him in the middle. You're gonna massage their little head, and you can put your hand behind in front of her little chest, and you're gonna turn. That was one. Okay, and you're gonna do the other side. See that? And